In my last video, I discussed and gave examples of low-content books. In this video, I'm going to give examples of high-content books for Amazon KDP. So a high-content book is any book that contains a significant amount of original and custom-written content, images, or artwork. And some examples of high-content books are fiction novels, non-fiction books such as historical stories, written biographies and autobiographies, original cookbooks, illustrated storybooks, and coloring books with original and custom artwork that either you create or you outsource to places like Fiverr or Upwork. And very few people possess the skills, time, or money to create high-content book covers and interiors. This means that high-content books are relatively hard to create. However, this also means that selling high-content books can be easier because of lower competition. Just make sure to perform proper niche research for your high-content books. And like low-content books, creating unique, high-content book interiors with appealing covers is just as important. You also want to make sure that your high-content book covers contain appealing colors, original images and graphics, proper design layout, and easy-to-read title text. And you're going to want to add your own custom and unique images, graphic, and text to your high-content book interiors at all times. It doesn't matter if you create the content yourself or you outsource it. Just make sure it's custom and original. And as with all Amazon KDP books, you're going to need to create multiple high-quality, high-content books every month. The more you create, the higher the chance that your book will sell. And the more books you create, the better you get at book design. Plus, you'll multiply your chances of getting sales from multiple high-content books in your Amazon KDP account. So going to Amazon.com and typing in nonfiction in the search bar, you can see we have a host of nonfiction stories, and as well as biographies and autobiographies. If we scroll down, you can see that these are high-content books, as they've taken a lot of time, effort, and possibly money to create. Creating your own high-content book on Amazon can be time-consuming. However, if done right, you could possibly make a great living selling high-content books on Amazon KDP. With that said, this was a short video on high-content books for Amazon KDP. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.